Ready to learn? Good. Let's go. When an individual makes a difference, it's cool. But when a company makes a difference, you get amazing results. Check this out.
There's a proverb in business that says, "You'll never work as hard for anyone as you will for yourself." That probably explains why business owners are often the first to show up and last to leave. Finding employees to match that work ethic is a challenge. But what if your employees were owners as well? Come with us to Oakland, California, and meet one of the world's greatest, Menke and Associates. Having been in business for nearly half a century, Menke and Associates was founded by John Menke, a tax attorney who worked for a law firm in San Francisco that first introduced the ESOP concept. Based on that experience, John Menke has been able to help make Menke and Associates the most active firm in the ESOP industry.
Menke and Associates is a nationwide ESOP consulting firm specializing in the design and installation of ESOPs as well as the execution of ESOP buyout transactions. We've been involved in ESOPs since the beginning, 1974, and we've been designed and installed more ESOPs than any other firm in the country.
Menke and Associates was the first firm to establish a platform that enables clients to obtain the necessary services to implement an ESOP under one roof.
Menke & Associates is a full-service ESOP consulting firm, and by that I mean we handle all phases of an ESOP transaction, from the initial conversation with an owner to see if an ESOP is feasible, makes sense for their objectives. We handle all the legal work involved in designing the plan. We communicate the plan to the employees. We handle negotiations with trustees. We raise financing. All steps involved in ESOP transactions are something that Menke & Associates specializes in. The advantage to the client is seamless. You're not hiring multiple firms, you're hiring one firm to do the ESOP work. At the end of the day, our experience steps forward. We've done this for over 44 years and over 3,000 ESOP transactions.
Menke and Associates administers nearly 1,000 ESOPs more per year than any other firm in the industry. They are 100% employee-owned and have encountered everything one can imagine when it comes to implementing ESOPs.
Menke & Associates practice what we preach. We are an ESOP company ourselves. We don't say it's good for you, but we didn't think it'd work for us. No, we do practice what we preach. The employees here are thinking like owners, which is the objective of an ESOP. We want employees to think about, this is my company. I don't just work here, I own part of the equity through an ESOP transaction. So we bring that experience to every transaction that we are hired to engage in. Menke & Associates is one of the world's greatest ESOP consulting firms for three simple reasons. Number one is our experience. We've been designing ESOPs since 1974 and have designed over 3,000 ESOP transactions for our clients. Number two, we focus on ESOPs. All of our business is related to ESOPs. We don't try to be involved in other transactions that don't involve an ESOP. And number three is we are an ESOP company. We practice what we preach. Employee ownership is where we resonate.
Having established ESOPs in every possible industry throughout the entire United States, Menke and Associates is one of the world's greatest.